Today I'm going to be making a flamingo out of a pink paper. And I have two pink popsicle sticks right here for the legs of our flamingo. So I traced my hand and then I cut it out. That's going to be the body of the flamingo. And these are the little wings. So yeah, so we traced a number 2. So that's going to be the head here, right here. And then this is going to be the neck. And we made a little beak. So that's going to be the beak for right here. We're going to put it on top like that. So yeah, now we're going to get started on gluing. So first let me get my glue. And first we're going to start gluing the beak. Okay, so now I'm going to put a tiny beanie drop right here just to put the beak on. So first let me open it a little bit more. And then one drop right there. Then I'm going to squeeze it, legs, just put it right there. Like that. So now I'm going to take this and then I'll put a tiny drop of glue right there and put that on top. So tiny drop right there, and then add this on top like that. Okay, now we have 2 popsicle sticks for the legs, and we're gonna do glue right here and here, and then I'm gonna take this up and then slide them in. So put this on top and then slide it in and then put it on like that. So for the other one. And you can just move it a little bit more back so we have more space for the other one. So just gonna do like that, and then I'm gonna put the second one under. So put that up and then like that. So those are there. So now we're gonna let this dry, and then after it's done drying, we're gonna put 2 tiny googly eyes and make eyelashes. Now I'm gonna put a tiny googly eye. This is how tiny they are. So now I'm gonna put it a tiny beanie bit of glue. That much we need. Let's take our googly eye, put it on. It's really tiny, so it's difficult to hold. So yeah. Okay, there you go. So as it's gotten, this is gonna get dried, and we're gonna put some eyelashes with a pencil. So we're gonna. Ta-da! I hope you like this video. Bye. So this is my flamingo. It turned out really good, and I highlighted the little eyelashes with a black marker. So I hope you like the video. Bye.